Did you know that a 20-minute high-intensity interval training session can burn as many calories as an hour-long jogging session? Even HIIT keeps your body in fat-burning state for hours after you're done. If you're struggling to find time for fitness, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stay tuned as we reveal 5 powerful HIIT workouts that can fit into your even the busiest schedule. Time is money, but so is your health. Life is busy. Work, family, and personal goals often leave little time for fitness. It's a challenge and many professionals face daily. Sound familiar? It's easy to feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day. But here's the truth. Investing in your health is just as important as everything else you do. Here's the good news. Staying fit doesn't have to mean spending hours at the gym. With the right approach, you can achieve incredible results in just a few minutes a day. And that's where HIIT is right choice. What if I told you there's a workout so efficient it can transform your body, boost your energy, and fit into the tightest of schedules? Stick around because in this video, we're breaking it all down and sharing 5 powerful HIIT workouts you can start today. And one of these might just change how you think about fitness forever. Before we dive in, if you're passionate about simple yet effective fitness tips, subscribe to Cure. Like this video to let us know you're ready to make a change, and check the description box for more health and fitness resources. What is HIIT? HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is a workout method that alternates between short bursts of intense activity and brief recovery periods. For example, you might sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 15 seconds before repeating. So, why is HIIT so effective? First, it burns calories fast, and it keeps your body burning fat even after you're done. This phenomenon is known as the afterburn effect. It's like your body's metabolism gets a turbo boost. Second, it's fantastic for your heart and lungs, improving overall cardiovascular health. Research shows that HIIT can deliver the same benefits as longer steady-state cardio workouts in less time. Third, it builds strength, speed, and endurance without needing fancy equipment or hours of your time. Even better, HIIT workouts are versatile, so they can be adapted to suit your fitness level and preferences. Today, we'll walk through 5 HIIT workouts that are simple, effective, and perfect for busy schedules. Ready to get started? Let's go! Workout number 1. Total Body Blast. This workout is all about engaging multiple muscle groups at once. You'll do 30 seconds of squats, 30 seconds of push-ups, 30 seconds of burpees, and 30 seconds of plank jacks. Rest for 15 seconds between each exercise and repeat the circuit 3 times. Squats target your lower body, push-ups strengthen your chest and arms, burpees boost your cardio endurance, and plank jacks engage your core. This makes it a complete workout in just a few minutes. Remember, focus on your form. Keep your back straight during squats and land softly during burpees to avoid injury. If you're new, take it slow and focus on building up your stamina. Workout number 2. Cardio Crusher. If burning calories and boosting your heart rate is your goal, this one's for you. You'll do 30 seconds of jump rope, 30 seconds of high knees, 30 seconds of mountain climbers, and 30 seconds of sprinting in place. Rest for 15 seconds between exercises and repeat the circuit twice. This workout is designed to maximize calorie burn while improving your endurance. Jump rope challenges your coordination, high knees get your heart pumping, mountain climbers engage your core, and sprints build explosive power. Here is a tip for you. If jumping is too intense, try marching in place while raising your knees as high as possible. Adjust the pace to match your fitness level. Workout number 3. Strength Surge. This workout focuses on building strength. You'll do 30 seconds of lunges, 30 seconds of push-ups with a shoulder tap, 30 seconds of deadlifts using a water bottle or dumbbell, and 30 seconds of plank to arm raises. Rest for 20 seconds between each and repeat twice. Lunges are great for your legs and glutes. Push-ups with shoulder taps improve your upper body strength and stability. Deadlifts work your posterior chain, and plank arm raises strengthen your shoulders and core. Form is crucial here. Ensure your back is straight during deadlifts and keep your core engaged during planks. If the weights feel too heavy, start with just body weight movements and gradually increase resistance. Workout number 4. Core Power. Strengthening your core isn't just about abs, it's about stability and balance. Do 30 seconds of Russian twists, 30 seconds of bicycle crunches, 30 seconds of plank holds, and 30 seconds of flutter kicks. Rest for 15 seconds between exercises and repeat twice. Russian twists enhance rotational strength, bicycle crunches target obliques, planks improve overall core stability, and flutter kicks challenge your lower abs. Modify as needed. For example, keep your feet on the ground during Russian twists if you're just starting out, or perform planks on your knees to reduce intensity. Workout number 5. Flexibility flow. Flexibility is just as important as strength and cardio. This HIIT flow includes 30 seconds of dynamic lunges, 30 seconds of cat-cow stretches, 30 seconds of toe touches, and 30 seconds of standing side bends. Rest for 15 seconds between exercises and repeat twice. Dynamic lunges improve your range of motion, cat-cow stretches mobilize your spine, toe touches target your hamstrings, and side bends help with lateral flexibility. This is a perfect way to cool down while still staying active. Flexibility exercises not only prevent injuries, but also improve posture and movement efficiency. Consistency is key. The key to success isn't just trying these workouts once. It's about making them a part of your weekly routine. 3 to 5 sessions a week can lead to noticeable changes in just a month. If you're serious about your health and fitness journey, hit the subscribe button to join the Cure community. Like this video if you found it helpful, and check the description box for more resources to stay motivated. Before you go, here's something to think about. Could your daily habits be slowing down your progress? We'll reveal the most common mistake in our next video. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, transform your health, transform your life.